do you do that? How do you do that?
Hello everyone, back in another video. Today is October 15th, 2022. Today I want to show you the mailing system in MyLegion. So this is how I send emails out using MyLegion. So as you see right here, I have an email that I sent out yesterday. The one thing I do is I go to statistics here and I see which email performed the most, which got the most clicks, open rate, and click through open ratio. That's all I do. Then I go back to the mailing system. I get the leads. Which is 32,400, which I can't put these leads in right now because it's tripping. But I go to save emails, and then, for example, right, this one right here, can you believe that? Then I just put the subject in, then I load it, and I check to see if the link is correct, the URL link is correct. I go over here to see if the URL is correct. If I got to change the URL again, I do that. Then I click OK. Then I put my signature here, best wishes. Then I click perfect timing. Perfect timing is a time slot where your lead is most likely to open and click your emails. That's it. Then over here, well, since I sent out an email early this morning, there's two buttons: send mail and preview mail. Those two will be right there, and then you preview it, see if everything's checked off right, if your URL is there, and if it's there, you click send, and there you go. That's it. Simple as that. If you like this video and you want to know more about MyLegion, link will be down in the description down below. If you want to join MyLegion, link will be in the description down below. And like, subscribe, and comment this video so it can be this YouTube algorithm. And I hope everyone has a good day today. It's a morning, Saturday or Sunday, wherever you're at. And have a good day. 0 to 1,000 marketing. I'm out. Have a good day.